Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? Horace here, also known as La Machine, with another item I found for you. This is our jump on it segment. We love it. The purpose is to show you that you can be sourcing while you're taking a break. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm at work. You guys know that I drive truck. I'm actually at my job, as you can see. Quick pit stop at the terminal, taking a break, and I said, you know what? What can I do for the working class hustlers? Remember, it's easy for people to create channels and give value by telling you what you can do, but you got to do more than just talk about what you can do. You got to give somebody something. So the question is, what can I give you so that you can take action? I want you to take action, but what can I do to encourage that? I want you to understand that you can be sourcing using powerful software that is so easy that you can do it on a phone, a tablet, but I got to show you. I got to show you. You from Missouri, the show me state. So hey, let's get to it. Check this out now. I got my tablet over here. Yeah, I'm in a piece of garbage truck today. My tablet wasn't working right. So you know what I did? Check this out. If I can get it to show here. I went using my software, Tactical Arbitrage. Now watch what I did here. Sorry about the glare. Let me see if I can just hang tough for a second, because trying to get this to work right on my phone can be a bit of a challenge. But watch, nothing stops us. Watch what I do here. Just hold tight. I found something that I want to show you. Let's see. I just gotta get it to show here. Okay, so what you notice there is this feature called Always Be Scanning. Okay, now I'm trying to use two hands here. Look at, here's what I want you to see. Let me try to zoom that in a little bit. This product is at Lowe's, and you can see it's the Dynamite Master vegetable food, and you can see my adjusted price is about $6, and it's showing on Amazon for $15.24. It's actually a little bit lower than that right now, but that's okay. And let me tell you why it's okay. Because I can see right on my phone here, guys. If I can get it to come in, I apologize, because my lens is probably so dirty. But I can see that the average 90-day price on that is $15.56. And here's the deal. When you look, just excuse me for a second because what I want to tell you is, when you look at your gross profit and you see $1.98, that doesn't seem like much, but look at, that's 33%. When you're working on margins like that, 33% is really good, and this is especially important for newbies. Newbies are always trying to find products. They're having problems. They can't seem to, get anything going. You have to get going, and then things will begin to develop over time. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay. So, you're looking at 280 sales a month estimated. When you come over and you look at the graph there, that's not a KEEPA chart, that's Tactical Arbitrage. That's their own history chart. By the way, this is Tactical Arbitrage, the software that I'm using, and I encourage you guys to learn it, because once you learn it, you can be finding deals like this while you're at work. You guys, this is what it's all about. It's about being a working class hustler. It's not about hating your job. It's not about quitting your job. It's about what you can do in addition to your job, so to bring you some extra income. That's what's going to change your life, okay? And let me show you something else I did, just so that you can understand. When you take, look at, I pulled up KEEPA. I don't know if you know it, but KEEPA actually has an app that you can use. And you can see, you know, we have a video on KEEPA to kind of show you what you're using there. But here's what I want to do. I'm going to take a minute and I want to show you the ASIN. That way, because what I want you to do is look this product up and see if you can sell it. Okay? So, let me see. So there's your ASIN right there. And let's see if you're approved. If you're not approved, here's what I want you to do. I want you to come to the live stream, because we stream every Saturday. I want you to come to the live stream and I want you to say, Horace, give me what I came for. I wasn't approved. I want a deal. I didn't stop what I was doing at work for nothing. The purpose is to give you a deal. So subscribe to the channel, because we're doing jump on it every week. Then we're uploading 2 videos. You want to see those. This week, we've got one talking about how much money I make, and that's all the video is about, and particularly what I get to keep. There's another video, Jim, tell them put on there what it is. I can't even think. We got so many videos coming out. I mean, we're 4 videos a week. I can't keep up with what's going on. Just subscribe, because the point is learn, get involved, become a working class hustler. And before we go, I'm going to show you one more thing here, just so you can have an idea. So you can see we've sold 21 units today, $485. You can see my current balance. That hasn't been paid out to me yet. And over the last 30 days, you're looking at $15,750. And that's not even accurate. It's actually over 16. You'll see that in the video tomorrow that comes up. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that. And take advantage. See if you can sell that product, guys. This is especially important for beginners. All right? So we'll see you in the next video.